Still driving with an outdated dashboard or messy phone mounts? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best portable wireless CarPlay screens on Amazon that can instantly upgrade your car with modern tech. No installation needed. From crisp displays to seamless Bluetooth and Android Auto compatibility, I'll walk you through what makes each model worth your money. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Wireless portable CarPlay screen for car. The wireless portable CarPlay screen is an impressive upgrade for any car without a built-in infotainment system. The 10.26-inch touchscreen is bright, responsive, and large enough to give a premium feel. I really like how easily it connects to both CarPlay and Android Auto. No wiring or complex setup needed. The included 4K dash cam and backup camera are great additions for safety and convenience, offering clear visuals day and night. Bluetooth and GPS work smoothly, making navigation and hands-free calls effortless. The only downside is that the built-in speaker isn't very powerful, so pairing it with the car's audio gives the best experience. Overall, a solid, feature-rich option for modernizing your car. Number 2. My second best pick. Portable Apple CarPlay screen for car. The 9-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen is a fantastic way to upgrade your car's tech without any complicated installation. The screen quality is sharp and vibrant, and the 4K dash cam plus 1080p backup camera provide clear footage for added safety. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect quickly and run smoothly, making it easy to use navigation, music, and Siri hands-free. I really like the built-in GPS and FM transmitter. They work well even on longer drives. The Bluetooth connection is stable, and the interface is simple to navigate. The only downside is that the suction mount could be sturdier. Overall, it's a versatile, well-priced smart display for any vehicle. Number 3. My third best pick. Portable Apple CarPlay screen. The 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen is an excellent all-in-one upgrade for cars without built-in infotainment. The large display is bright, clear, and very responsive to touch, making it easy to navigate apps, maps, and music. I really like that it supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Setup is quick, and the connection stays stable. The included 4K dash cam and 1080p backup camera are solid additions that enhance safety and visibility. Voice control works smoothly, and GPS navigation is accurate on long trips. The only downside is that the interface design feels a bit basic. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-packed screen that delivers great value for the price. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Wireless CarPlay screen. The 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen is a great solution for upgrading any vehicle with modern smart features. The display is large, crisp, and easy to use, offering smooth touch response and clear visibility even in daylight. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect quickly without lag, making navigation and music control effortless. I really like the 4K dash cam and 1080p backup camera. Both deliver sharp footage and enhance safety. Bluetooth, GPS, and FM functions work reliably, and voice control adds hands-free convenience. The only downside is that startup time can be a bit slow. Overall, it's a feature-rich, affordable screen that gives your car a premium feel. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Volume 9-foot CarPlay screen. The Volume 9-inch CarPlay screen is a versatile and fun upgrade for any car, combining smart connectivity with entertainment. The built-in apps like Netflix and YouTube work smoothly, making it perfect for park breaks or long trips. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connect quickly and stay stable, while the voice control feature makes it easy to operate hands-free. The 1080p backup camera provides clear visibility, and the screen itself is bright and responsive. I also like the compact design. It fits well in most vehicles. The only downside is that video playback isn't available while driving, which may limit use for some. Overall, it's a smart, feature-packed screen at a great value. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite portable wireless CarPlay screens? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.